Good day everyone. So here's an introductory video about multimedia and ICT. But before that, what is multimedia? Multi comes from multiple and media comes from medium of communication. Multimedia refers to the presentation of information and instruction through a combination of graphics, audio, text, or video. Multimedia have many different basic elements, such as text. What is text? The combination of text and multimedia elements such as images, audio, and video in a digital format. Audio. What is audio? A multimedia application may require the use of speech, music, and sound effects. What is video? Video. The term video refers to the moving picture accompanied by sound such as a picture in television. What is graphics? Graphics, a digital representation of non-text information such as drawing, chart, or photograph. What is animation? Animation is a form of multimedia that relies on the process of creating movement in a video or image. Uses of multimedia in various fields like advertising, mass media, and education sector. So let's proceed in ICT. But first, what is ICT, or Information and Communication Technology? The study or business of developing and using technology to process information and create communications. ICT have 5 main components. Number 1. Software. What is software? A software is a set of instruction, data, or program used to operate computers and execute a specific task. Number 2. Hardware. What is hardware? A hardware is any element of a computer that's physical. Example, monitors, keyboard, and also the inside of device. Number 3. Digital data. What is digital data? Digital data is the electronic representation of information in a format or language that machines can read and understand. Number 4. Cloud computing, a metaphor for a global computing network of remote servers that run applications, store data, and deliver content and services. Number 5. Internet access, the ability to connect to the internet using computers or other devices and to access services such as email and the World Wide Web. Example of uses of ICT: education, business, government, medicine, transportation, banking, and finance. That's it guys. Thank you for watching.